welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and we're in the kitchen today. I have 3 helpers with me. We have Colin, who's in the 2nd grade. We have Matthew, who's in the 7th grade. And they're my neighbors. And then we have my daughter, Tashi. And today we are making bao. So when we decided we were going to make this today, we realized we didn't have all the right equipment. We didn't have the bamboo steamer.
But I wanted my bao now.
So we are going to improvise, and we are doing a sort of a improvised steamer. So as always with Simple or Not Kitchen, our goal is to find out if the recipe is simple, and then these kids are going to let us know, does it taste good? Making these scrumptious little steamed buns begins by making a dough. We combine yeast, flour, water, and a few other ingredients, and we let the dough sit for a while. We're then going to knead it and then cut it into 8 sections. Our steamed buns are going to be filled with some chopped vegetables and a meat mixture. Some people use pork or ground beef in their steamed buns. We are using ground turkey. And then we're going to put Colin and Matthew to work, rolling our dough and filling our steamed buns. Filling the dumplings and properly closing them was a little bit challenging for the kids, but they eventually got the hang of it. Because we don't have a bamboo steamer to steam our buns, we're going to improvise. We're going to put a little bit of water in a wok and then place a bowl upside down in the wok with a plate on top of it. We're then going to cover that, and that's going to serve as our steamer. The most exciting part of this particular cooking video was when we opened up the steamer and we found that our improvised steamer had worked perfectly. The process of making these steamed buns did take several hours, and the kids were busy pretty much the whole time. After a day of rolling dough and filling buns and steaming them, the kids were eager to dig in, and they liked the results. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe and online article, visit PenelCentral.com.